Hello, this is Ramune. こんにちは、ラムネです。Today we are at Asakusa, the traditional downtown area of Tokyo. As a resident in Tokyo, actually I don't come here so often because for me it's an area for tourists. So that's why I'm not familiar with this place and I want to explore it as a tourist this time. 東京に住んでいると浅草は観光地のイメージが強くてめったに来ることがないんですよね。だから逆に新鮮です。So glad to see many foreign tourists coming back to Asakusa. 海外からの観光客が増えて浅草は本当に賑やかになりましたね。Now we came to the oldest shopping street in Japan called Nakamise-dori. It leads to the main hall of Sensoji Temple. Let's take a look at the backside of the famous lantern, and there is a statue beside the lantern. I guess many tourists miss this statue. And this is the front side with many foreign tourists taking photos. Now let's head to the hotel tonight. Once we left the busy sightseeing spots, it's a quiet area with small restaurants, hotels, and office buildings. This building is for Bandai. Arrived at today's hotel, COCO SHUKU Asakusa KURAMAE. It's like an apartment with kitchen in the room. 짜잔! My son, Soda-kun. Delivery sushi for dinner. So delicious. And after dinner, my husband and I headed to Sensoji Temple again for a night walk. My mom stayed in the hotel room with Soda-kun. 夕食はお部屋で出前寿司をとり、その後旦那と一緒にまた浅草寺に戻ってきました。息子のソーダくんは寝ていたので母に部屋で見ていてもらいました。It was about 9:30 p.m. on Saturday. You can see there are definitely less people. As all the shops are closed, you can see the unique paintings on the shutters. They are about history and seasonal events here in Asakusa. See, this painting is about the summer festival Sanja Matsuri at Asakusa. 夜の9時過ぎに来ますと、こちらシャッター壁画の浅草絵巻も見どころの一つですね。とても風情があります。 the evening is so quiet and tranquil. And now we are going to another shopping street with more restaurants and bars. You can see the photos of Japanese comedians who have performed here in Asakusa. There are many theaters, and this one reminded me of a Netflix movie called Asakusa Kiddo. The movie is about Japanese comedian and movie director Kitano Takeshi. Maybe you know. He also started his career here. Some comedians succeeded and become a big star, but some failed. So the bars here would accept their dream and disappointments. The evening in Asakusa has such a vibe. The lighting were even more nostalgic after rain. Ohayou gozaimasu. I'm so happy to see it's not raining anymore. By the way, the hotel is located in KURAMAE, a quiet business area. Just one station by subway to Asakusa. I left the hotel very early in the morning to come to this kimono rental shop, SHUKU, Japan. You can see there are so many kimono. It was hard for me to decide one from the mountain of kimono, so I told the stylist my favorite color and design, and they gave me some suggestion. After choosing the obi belt, I should also choose the lace on the collar. So many different decorations. How you tie your obi and the color you choose can totally change your look. Finally, I chose this pink lace on my collar. These two are the sets chosen by two young ladies. I envy their good sense. This is mine. I really like blue. I think it's Ramune color. The whole process is about 15 minutes, so let's just fast forward it. You can see many strings were tied on my body very tightly, so that the obi belt will not unfold and lose shape. It's very important. was very tight around my stomach, so I recommend you not to eat too much before wearing a kimono. Okay, done. How do I look? I came out from the rental shop in Kimono to see the sunshine and this crowd. It's Sunday. We prepared yukata for Soda-kun, so let's stroll around Asakusa in the traditional costume. Now we're beside Sumida River, and let's take a sightseeing cruising. There are many different courses and types of ship. We chose the shortest course, which is 30 minutes cruising and come back to the same port. It was 1,200 yen per person. You know it's hard to hold a baby and stroll around, so cruising ship is a good choice. 日曜日の浅草は混み合っていて、赤ちゃんを抱っこして歩き回るのも大変なので、こちらで30分間の周遊クルーズに乗ることにしました。The ship for us is arriving. You can see many pedestrians on the bridge. This bridge is called Sumida River Walk. It's a new spot. So now we can walk from the Tokyo Skytree to Asakusa. Today, a rowing contest is taking place. It's a contest between crews from Waseda and Keio University rowing clubs. Golden sky tree only from this angle on the river. We are so satisfied with the 30 minutes cruising, and now we are back to Asakusa shopping street, and the weather changed so suddenly. Rickshaws are running even in the thunderstorm. The rain is getting up in 30 minutes, and it's also time to go back home. Thank you for watching until the end. Please comment below your favorite parts in the vlog, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.